You guys know that I love to shoot creative product video commercials at home with my smartphone. And you know what? I was sent something really interesting in the post a few weeks ago. Yeah. Sandmarc sent me their brand new iPhone Motion Dolly. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can take this Motion Dolly and take your product videos to the next level. Let's do this! What is going on? It's Anil, and today we're going to be looking at this Motion Dolly from Sandmarc, and we're going to do a little product video. Test out how good this product is. And before we get to that, we're going to check out what's in the box. So once you open that box, you will see that you get the dolly, you also get a ball head and an iPhone holder. You also get a holder for a GoPro, but I don't have a GoPro, so I couldn't test that, but you get that holder too. So when we look at the build quality and design, wow! This is amazing. This dolly is machined from industrial grade aluminium and it weighs 368 grams. So it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it feels like a quality piece of kit. And it can hold a capacity of 300 grams, which is perfect for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And like I said, the quality of this product is just so unreal. The wheels alone, the adjustability of this product is just so smooth. As you're adjusting that dolly, it's smooth. I mean, it's got a bit of tension, but you know that you're moving it with precision. That's what it's all about for a product like this. The mount, also very nice, made from the same material and has a great spring action. I had no issues with this mount. And the ball head, it does what it says on a tin. Well, you want to know what the best thing about this product is. This product is so small, it fits straight into your camera bag. It's so portable, you can take it anywhere with you and get your dolly on. Get your dolly on. Guys, we're going to talk about the performance in the next section, but before we do that, hit the like button, hit subscribe. You know you need to do it. Now, to get the best out of this dolly, I had to set up a little product scene. I grabbed something random from the bedroom, put it into my little scene, and the results were amazing. I tried out several little moves with this dolly using Filmic Pro 60 frames per second. I wanted to slow it down, speed it up, see what I could do with it. I went ahead and tried 3 shots with this Motion Dolly. The first shot is the dolly in shot. Now, to perform this shot, you need to set your dolly at 0 degrees. Then make sure that your phone, when it's mounted, that the camera is in the same direction as the wheels. And then you can simply dolly in and dolly out. You can play around with the focus, you can rack focus, you can do whatever you want. The movement was so smooth. It was so easy to control the speed. The second shot I tried was that slide shot. It's a classic shot that you would perform with a dolly like this. Again, keeping the dolly at 0 degrees, but this time turn your phone so that the camera is parallel to the wheels. Plunk that thing right in front of your product, set your focus and then lock it, and then you can just slide it across. Try it. It's so smooth, different speeds. You could play around with it and post edit, but I had lots of fun doing that move. Now it gets interesting. The third shot is the orbit shot. This is where you can really take advantage of that angle adjustment on this dolly. And for this shot, I set the dolly to 40 degrees. And then you just need to angle the camera so the subject is right in the center. You might want to do a few test pivots just to make sure that the camera is perfectly placed. Lock your focus, press record, and then just go. And this is where you take it to the next level. Some of the movements you can do is amazing. Now, I had this set at 40 degrees, but you could go even wider if you wanted a more 180 shot. I was truly surprised about what I could achieve with this little thing right here. Obviously, we're just talking about product videos here. This thing can be used anywhere. You can take this on the road. It is so portable, goes straight into a camera bag. I did take this out over the Easter holiday, did a few little shots, a couple little slide shots here and there. It definitely gave me something different when I was filming out and about. So my final thoughts, This is an amazing product. I was genuinely surprised at how good it was and how much I loved using it. One thing to watch out for, if you do use this outside, make sure you're using it on a smooth surface. If you don't, you might find you get lots of little micro shakes in your footage. And we talk about cost, $90. Wow, what a bargain. $90 for this, and it's so versatile. You can buy it directly from Sandmarc on their website. I've got a link below, go and check them out. I'll definitely be using this in future projects. I love it. I love it! That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about product videos with your iPhone, you're going to want to check out this video right here, because I'm going to talk about iPhone product videos in a lot more detail. And I'll see you in the next one.